in this video, I'm going to explain you if you have a step van like this. This is the step van that I have. No, it's very similar, but you will have a bumper here and another bumper in the very back. So I'll see if I can find it in the rear bump. There we go. So as you can see, you will see mine is kind of like that. You see something like that. Surely you're going to have the same thing. So you will have to remove this. And I was looking in my step van, and basically this is how it looks like, kind of without the chassis on top. So basically you will have these two sticks of iron. As you can see, this will be the frame, and you have to put this like this. So in my case, I think I will have to remove the rear bumper, or I will have to modify it. Maybe I will have to cut it in order to stick the tongue inside of this area. I don't know. I have to buy it, but at least I couldn't find any information about this. That is why I'm making this video. So this you're going to have a few options. This is kind of a universal hitch. I like it a lot because, for instance, this part that you see here on the top, you're not going to use it. This is more for trucks or for cargo vans or maybe for cars. I have installed a few of these already in different brands of vehicles, and I never had any issues. But in this case, because you have the frame on the side, so this you're not going to use it, and you're going to use these screws to attach it to the side. So if you cannot make it fit, you will have to remove the rear bumper, and that's it. And because you have these holes here, you're going to be able to move it, you know, to accommodate it for the width of your cargo van. At least in mine is a Freightliner MT45 P1200, and I took the measurement from here to here in the frame, and I have 3 feet, so it's 36 inches, and I think with this I should be okay. So as you can see, the tongue weight, it says 500 pounds. Some people were complaining, and at least in the reviews, and they were saying that there was a sticker that says 300. I don't know. The product may change over time, but at least with this, I mean, it costs. It doesn't cost that much, and if it's 36 inches, like I said, and you can move it, you know, on one side to the other, I think you're going to be able to install it just fine. So, and you don't have to spend a lot. I went to another site. So here is the way you can see. I'll leave you in the video description the link if you want to buy it, you know, from Amazon. I think that will be the best solution, because otherwise I found this, but this in this site, you know, it's like almost $500 just for these real trucks, and you will have this kind of the same way to accommodate, you know, the width. And that's it. But here, you know, you cannot see reviews, you cannot see anything. And the specifications, I think, were inferior. As you can see, it says 3,500 to 5,000, and the other was like 8,000. So I don't know. I'm paying more for less, so it doesn't make much sense. So as you can see, those are the specs. This is, I don't know, this brand. But again, I'll leave you in the video description if you want to get the same thing. And I went to another here, a real truck, kind of the same thing. If you do that, you will be able to move it, you know, up and down. Here you have the drop here if you want to change something. But here you will have to make the holes. This one, it can hold way more. So as you can see, it's 16,000 pounds, and the tongue 1,600, so it's way more than the other one. But I mean, it depends on your needs. If you need a trailer, great. If you need maybe a dolly, like I'm going to do it in my cargo van, I mean my step van, that's it. So I have this dolly, to tow a car, so at least the weight is not going to be that much in the tongue, because all the weight, you know, will be on the rear wheels of the car, as you can see here. So it's going to look kind of like that. Also, I was researching on Google, and it says, at least for my case, From U-Haul, it says 200 pounds in the tongue, so that is the weight. So I think with the economical option, I think with this will be enough. If you have to tow very heavy trailers or anything like that, maybe you can get this. The rating is way higher than the other ones. So that's it for now. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the section below. If you're outside United States, you want me to ship you something like that, I can do that as well. If you want me to install it for you, I can do that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know, section below, and see you next time.